that's what's going along so far. Got all my holes dug with the mini backhoe. I really got my money's worth out of it so far. So I got the cellar hole dug. I got the greenhouse hole dug. And I got the pond in the back dug. It's about 3 times as big as it was. And I got 2 little ponds dug down by the culvert. So between that, according to my calculations, I'll have about 10,000 gallons of water close by when I transfer it in. So that'll be enough for my garden and everything except drinking.